Okay, so today we're going to be doing a what's sold video. So we're going to start off here in B. So B0368, that's way down here. A little bit of mess here today because we have some stuff that we're currently processing. Would you look at that? That never happens. Okay, it's right there. So what this is a pure cardon men's black trousers. He sold for $14 plus $6.97 shipping. Next is A0386. Of course it's going to be up there. Okay, well, real life. So let's you see here we have a bit of a mess here, some stuff that we're processing right now. So it is what it is. Don't try this at home, kids. Okay, 386. So we're actually consolidating our A right now, so this just happens to be up here now. A little messy, so this is not a great example here. Yeah, let me just take this one down. It's probably safer. Okay, and we'll just check it out right here. Let's see here. 6. I promise you, the organization is better elsewhere. This is just one of those boxes that got all kinds of messed up here. What is this supposed to be? A pajama set? This looks like it. Yeah, it is. 386. Okay. Let's throw this right there. Next is an external battery pack. This is cheap, sold for $5 plus $4.63 shipping. I got these somewhere. I forget where. These are for, like, you plug this in to like a safe to get into it, and then you just put a bunch of batteries in here. Okay, so next, let's see here, we go next. I'm actually doing these backwards, upside down. Okay, we sold a set of brake pads. So we did a big buy on brake pads. I have a bunch of auto parts that I bought from an auto parts store that was, I don't know if it was going out of business. I think they were just retiring. Okay. So way up here, it's never the easy one. Okay, he's right here, BP 46. Okay, next, I think there's another set of brake pads while we're here. BP 105. Here, of course, it's never, like I said, it's never the easy one. Stay. Why don't you move now? Here, okay. Oh, sorry. So the first one sold for $28.36, free ship, and the second one sold for $21.86, free shipping. Probably could have done better with that on price, but it is what it is. Next is C0286. This is a men's black suit jacket and pants. So it's a suit. Probably could have done a better job with the listing title on that one, but C0286, 286. Right here. See, organized. Here we go. 286. Sold for $40. Next is WB42. So this is a mount clamp for. Let's see where these go. I don't remember. Okay, then we have here. As you see here, our inventory is kind of mixed how we do it. Some of it's like for more so for clothing, and other stuff is for, like, you know, individual items like this. So we have two inventory systems. We used to have another one. That's why this has this label on it, but this is correct. This sold for $22.50. This is actually a clamp for or a bracket for a camera mount for like a zoom, like one of those expensive zooms. Probably could have got more for that. So next, sold these books. I just know where this stuff is, right? So this is a pack of 6 for $12.50 plus $12.36 shipping. Let's see here. They're here somewhere. I know that. I remember. Yep. Here we are. He's right here. Okay, so it's currently 9:46 in the morning, so we'll probably have some more orders to pick later. But for now, I think that that does the video. Let me know if you guys have any questions or concerns, guys.